Today I am going to show one new OS. It's an Manjaro GNOME, and even I shown Manjaro cinnamon and Manjaro birch and all. So now I am going to show Manjaro GNOME, and Manjaro is free and open source Linux distribution that is based on Arch Linux. It's rolling release Linux distribution, but it doesn't allow every update go through immediately. So it became third official version of Gellivara release. It offers the Genome desktop with version of Manjaro theme, and what we'll do, just we'll open it, and we'll download, and we'll see this third version of this, what is the advanced features and what are the new features and all in this. So here you can see third option is there, Genome desktop. So just click on it, download. So you have to open browser and type there as Manjaro, and after typing Manjaro you will get this page, and Manjaro ISO image Genome I have downloaded, and now you have to download Rufus. Rufus for booting of a pen drive. I have to boot the pen drive. So now open another tab and type there as Rufus, and just download the Rufus. And here you can see Rufus box appeared, and you have to insert pen drive 16 or 8 GB pen drive, and just after complete of Rufus, restart your system. After restarting, you can see here booting option will come, and here you can see welcome to Manjaro, and here this thank you for joining our community is there. See here, night light is there, dark style is there, airplane mode is there, Bluetooth is there, power mode balanced is there, and here you can see volume up and down, and settings is there, bright light and all. So it's past I showed two more videos, that cinnamon and another birch, Manjaro birch. So same way, but somewhat advanced features, because this is the third one. So third one is somewhat advanced than before one. So here change background option is there, and scrolling here and there, right and left. So I found this third one is somewhat better than previous one. So more advanced tools, more advanced features are there added to this. So here setting is there, and just once you people also download it if possible, and try for this third one, Genome. And here you can see many options are there, features are there, and this OS is good. So hope this video is good, found somewhat informative. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.